Hello guys, this is just another update on True Restoration as they're called. It's Christmas Day 2018, so Merry Christmas everyone and Happy and Holy New Year. I just wanted to update you because I've just looked at the True Restoration website. Stephen Heiner generally does try and sell things off and at the end of the year and make a big sale out of it. Typical retail thing. I used to work in retail here in the United Kingdom in a retail store, so I know what goes on in retail. But what come across me is something that's extortionate. Stephen Heiner is selling brown scapulars of Our Lady Mount Carmel for $8 each, and I converted that into sterling, and that's at today's exchange rate. It's £6.31 per scapular. Now these scapulars, I actually recognise them because they're quite common in England. They're made by the Josephine sisters, based at St Saviour's House in Bristol. St Saviour's, by the way, is the SSPX retreat house in Bristol, which is also, like many places, also a priory, and Josephine sisters reside there, who are associated with the SSPX. They're self-sufficient and they make scapulars. And within the SSPX, they've been sold for like £2, up to £3 occasionally. I thought they went up to £3 a few years ago, but not so long ago I went to St Joseph's and there's still £2 there. I bought 5 of them. I think £6.31 for a £2 scapular. That is extortion. So I just wanted to bring this to your attention. Again, I'm showing this the screenshot off the website today, 25th of December 2018, Christmas Day 2018, just so you're aware. If you want to get them cheaper than that, I think Carmel Books are doing a bit cheaper. Can't imagine it's anywhere near as much. Failing that, it's the SSPX in the UK. So if you go to a mass centre in the repository, they'll have them. But yeah, I just wanted to bring this to your attention. I mean, the scapulars are very good quality and they're made by the Josephine sisters, who are associated with the SSPX. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to bring your attention to this. You've probably seen my other video, by the way, which got restored. I expect Stephen Heiner may well make some sort of copyright infringement thing on this, but again, I'm providing a screenshot of his website under fair use, which I'm entitled to do. So, okay, thank you guys. For SedeVacantist UK, I'm Antonio Vitiello. May God bless you.